Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're checking out the SoundTown STBR-D12T Studio Rack, a piece of furniture designed to bring order and accessibility to your recording space. This rack features a double bay design with a unique 15-degree slanted turret style. This angle is key for ergonomics, making it much easier to see and access controls on your gear when you're seated. Each bay provides 12 U of space, giving you a substantial total of 24 U for all your preamps, compressors, interfaces, and other rack mount equipment. Construction is a major highlight here. The STBR-D12T is crafted from solid carbonized bamboo, substantial at 15 millimeters thick. Bamboo is renowned for its strength and durability, offering robust protection for your valuable gear. The carbonization adds stability and a unique look. It arrives unfinished, giving you the option to customize or keep its natural aesthetic. SoundTown made assembly straightforward. It comes with pre-cut components for a quick DIY build. No complex tools needed. Crucially, it includes pre-installed rack rails and the necessary 1032 rack rail screws, so you can start loading your gear right after putting it together. Studio setups often evolve, and this rack is built for flexibility. It's equipped with sturdy casters, allowing easy movement around your space. Side cutout handles aid in positioning, and a full access cutout in the rear simplifies connecting and managing all your cables. In summary, the SoundTown STBR-D12T is a practical, durable, and ergonomic solution for studio organization. Its slanted double bay design enhances accessibility. The solid bamboo construction ensures longevity, and features like casters and simple assembly make it a user-friendly addition for anyone needing to consolidate and protect their rack mount equipment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.